A waste management log is a structured record used to track the generation, handling, transportation, and disposal of various types of waste within a workplace. For a shake officer, this log is essential in ensuring compliance with environmental regulations, promoting workplace safety, reducing operational risks, and maintaining accountability in waste practices. It helps monitor waste types, quantities, and disposal methods efficiently, supporting both sustainability and legal reporting requirements. This template is designed to simplify those tasks, making data capture, tracking, and reporting much easier. So, let's start exploring how to use the waste management log template effectively. So this is the waste management report, and I did not include the dashboard worksheet. If you carefully scroll down this worksheet, you will clearly see that I have also included 4 structured questionnaire questions that can only be answered using either yes or no drop-down options. These well-thought-out questions were intentionally included to help or simply remind the shake officer that he or she has correctly followed and completed all required steps in the waste management log process accurately. However, these questions can easily be customized or adjusted to better suit your specific workplace environment needs. To make documentation and sharing more efficient, I have included 2 buttons on this waste management report: Save as PDF and Save as Word. These buttons allow the shake officer to export the report in a professional format for printing or emailing. Once the data is retrieved using the waste ID, you can simply click either of the buttons, and the report will be saved with the exact layout shown. This feature ensures consistency, saves time, and supports proper record keeping for compliance and auditing purposes. Now, to accurately retrieve waste data from the main table, you have to change the waste ID in cell C7 and then click anywhere within the worksheet area. As you can clearly see, all the data previously entered in the structured Excel table is automatically retrieved and displayed exactly as it is, without any formatting errors. Above the main waste log table, I've added a set of command buttons to help streamline your daily workflow. These include tools for searching specific entries within the table, adding new rows for fresh records, deleting any unwanted entries, and saving selected data ranges either as a Word document or PDF file for easy sharing or reporting. There's also a button for filtering data based on certain criteria. All these features are designed to enhance usability, minimize manual effort, and make managing waste records more efficient and accurate. So this is the main table where each row captures a specific waste management activity along with all related details and data. So this is the summary table above the main table, displaying total waste quantities and category counts for quick analysis and reporting purposes. This formula uses the COUNTIFs function to count how many entries in a dataset meet all 3 specified conditions. It checks the range E13 to E1000, which likely contains dates, and counts only those that fall between the start date in cell D6 and the end date in cell E6. Additionally, it looks at the corresponding entries in the F13 to F1000 range and includes only those rows where the cell is not empty. This allows the user to count how many records exist within a specific date range that also have valid, filled values in a related column. As a shake officer, having a waste management log template is essential for maintaining compliance with environmental regulations, ensuring proper waste disposal, and promoting sustainability in the workplace. It helps track waste types, quantities, disposal methods, and responsible personnel, allowing for accountability and continuous improvement. This organized record keeping supports audits, reduces risks of fines, and encourages better waste handling practices, all while aligning with workplace health, safety, and environmental goals. The Notes and Instructions worksheet in this template provides helpful guidance for using the waste management log effectively. It includes explanations of key columns, formula logic, and tips for accurate data entry. It's especially useful for new users, helping ensure consistency and reducing errors in the log. Thank you for watching this overview tutorial on the waste management log template. I hope you now understand how to use each part effectively to track, record, and manage workplace waste data. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel template tutorials. And don't forget to watch the full Shake Officer Workbook overview to learn more about the powerful features included.